In this video, we will look more closely at the My Loads page.
Going to the top of the page, we can see there are two sections, Loads and Active. Select either one to go to that tab. Going back to the Loads page, the Loads section is your personalized load board. These are loads we found that we think work well for you based on your preferences, the lanes that you like, the equipment that you have, and so on. The more that you use the system, the better we get at matching loads that you like. You'll see in the top right corner that loads are sorted chronologically. Today, tomorrow, next week, and so on. We only want to show you current load opportunities, so this list updates every 10 minutes. Loads will disappear if they get covered or taken down by the broker or shipper. Looking at this load for Springfield to Lebanon, we'll describe what's available at a glance. You can see pickup location, date and time, and drop-off location and date and time if we have that information. You can also see the trip distance between these 2 points, the equipment required, as well as the price. Some loads don't have a price. The broker or shipper wants you to call them and bid or negotiate, or will discuss price with you when you connect. Some loads do have price. At the top of the screen, you can toggle between your preference, flat rate, which is showing right now, or per mile rate. Be aware that the per mile is an estimate based on the trip distance, which is located here. Since your driver may take a different route, the actual per mile rate may vary, but this toggle allows you to break it down and give you a rough idea of what it pays in the method that you prefer. You can also express interest in a load from this screen. More on this later. Click on any load to see additional details. The top section shows you a map between the pickup and drop-off points. Below the map, we see the same information as on the previous screen. Pickup and drop-off information, distance, equipment type, and the like. The rate is now broken down by flat rate and per mile rate, making it easy on you. Below that is the load details section. This adds additional information on the shipment. It shows the equipment needed, the total weight, the freight type if this information has been entered, for instance, general freight or food grade materials, and the type, if it's LTL or FTL. Again, only if the broker or shipper has entered this information. Make sure to check the shipping notes below. A lot of shippers put their phone number in this section along with other key information on the load. And below that is the contact section. The name and contact info of the broker or shipper is listed here. When you are interested in a load, you can click the thumbs up button to express interest. A few things happen. A contact button shows up so you can instantly call or email the broker or shipper. Now, these buttons require you to have phone and email set up on your device. Feel free to simply copy and paste the email into your email client or dial the number from your phone if you do not have this set up. You'll also get a confirmation email with all of the details on this page. This load will now move to the active load section on the My Loads page. And lastly, we'll share your details with the broker or shipper who posted this load via email to let them know that you're interested. Keep in mind that not everyone checks these emails proactively, so if you see a load you like, you should call right away. Once you've connected with the shipper or broker and confirmed the load is yours, you can send this load to any driver in your fleet. First, click Send To. Select the appropriate driver, and then click Send Load. A confirmation will appear. Your driver will receive the same information that's on this page, except they will not see pricing information and they will not have the shipper contact or the shipping notes. Once the driver has seen the load you sent to them and accepted or rejected it, we'll send you an update with the action that they took via email.
Thanks for watching. Our next video will focus on search.